Hello everyone, my name is Ajaj Wasila. I'm a fashion designer and founder of Visajda Fashion House. And today we are going to talk about one of the most important tools every fashion designer should know, the mood board. Let's go to intro and answering about this question. So what is a mood board? Before we sketch a single garment, every great collection begins with inspiration. That's exactly where a mood board comes in. A mood board is a visual board that gathers ideas, inspiration, color, texture, fabric, and images to communicate the overall concept of fashion collection. You show it through carefully selected visuals. And why it's important? Well, I say it right now. Open your mind, guys. Answer it. A mood board helps designers organize creative ideas, define the mood and identity of collection. It maintains consistency throughout the design process, communicate idea clearly with client creative teams and manufacturers. And now you all know why it's important and you should know what is contained. A professional mood board usually include color palettes, fabric swatches, fashion inspiration, texture, accessories, architectural reference, lifestyle images, trend inspiration, nature or art. Now that we know why a mood board is important, let's see how designers use it actually. Mood board is not just a collage of beautiful images. Process from choosing a fabric and color to selecting silhouette details and finishes. Every design choice should reflect the same story and vision established in the mood board. At finish, here are a few tips for creating effective mood board can help you in the future. Make it simple, choose one clear concept, limit your color palette, select high quality images, and it's really important. Make sure every element supports the same story. And I hope this introduction helped you
What a mood board is and why it's such an important part of the fashion design process. In my next video, I will show you how I created the mood board for my own fashion collection and explain the creative decision behind it step by step. If you're interested in the fashion design, don't miss it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!